I want you to think of the stupidest thing you've ever done.
I have a proposition for you that can make you a very rich man.
It looks real.
It's real.
You vouch for that?
I'll vouch for it.
Okay.
That one moment that above all others you wish you could take back.
Hey, Vito. Yeah, we got a problem.
What kind of problem?
You know that lady that sold us those coins?
What about her?
She skipped town. I can't find her anywhere.
What's that got to do with me?
Did you get the coins tested?
What do you mean by testing the
You
coins?
need to
I
acid-
looked at the coin. You vouched
You need
for the
to acid
coin.
test.
What do
the
I know
coins.
about acid
Make sure
testing?
they're. I think we got a problem. I can't find her anymore. Anywhere.
Wait a minute.
She
You
skipped
trying
town.
to tell me that those coins might be fake?
They could be bogus, and I think they are. She skipped town on us. I can't find her anywhere.
Gary, I only bought those coins because you vouched for them, your reputation, and your family.
I know. I don't know what to tell you. I don't know what to do.
You got a problem. Sounds like Dr. Jennings is trying to invent time travel.
Dr. Jennings has invented time travel. Dr.
Has?
Jennings has invented time travel.
You've seen this?
Trust me, I'm his assistant. I see all the crazy stuff this man pulls off.
This is the second time this month I've heard a crazy story. What makes you think it's gonna work?
I've seen it happen. We can send you back.
Call the doctor. Let's go.
Now imagine someone gives you that chance to do exactly that.
Remember, Mr. Quintana, you only have one shot.
How far would you go? My name is Vito Catana, and this is my story.